Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about a brand new Land Rover Defender 110 that we've upgraded with a full security package. But before we get on to today's video, make sure you guys at home have subscribed to our YouTube channel because we've got a massive competition live on our channel at the moment. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 as well as an Audison Premium amplifier. All the details are in the description below. However, let's get on with today's video. This is actually a returning customer of ours. I don't know how many Autowatch Ghost Immobilisers this customer has actually had with us. It's absolutely phenomenal. He loves the product, but we're now securing the Defender 110, a phenomenal solution called the Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser, using factory control to actually immobilise and stop the vehicle from going absolutely anywhere. Starting off then, what is the Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser and why on earth would you need one? Security on vehicles is an essential part of today's world. Unfortunately, it's the case with keyless entry technology on the rise on a lot of vehicles, and that means vehicle theft is on the rise too. Security on vehicles, yes, you can add trackers, which we obviously do as well, but the Ghost Immobiliser is a really neat solution. The reason why this customer has had so many immobilisers across all his vehicles, as soon as he gets a new vehicle, first thing he does is add the Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser, because he understands the seriousness of crime at the moment on vehicles. What the immobiliser does, it's completely invisible, nothing on display whatsoever, but the best thing about it is it actually uses factory controls to actually start the vehicle. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing exactly that. Let's go. So sat inside the Defender 110, I've got the factory key in my hand, and this is going to be an example of actually starting the vehicle. Obviously the Ghost Immobiliser is installed, but we're going to try start the vehicle anyway like we used to. So I'm putting my foot on the brake, I'm pressing the start button, nothing happens, I can't engage gear. We'll try that again, nothing happens. So it doesn't matter as many times as I want to try, nothing's going to happen. So with obviously the factory key in my hand, I then now want to start the vehicle. Obviously Ghost is installed, so we're pressing the start button, foot is off the brake, and I'm going to enter my unique code. The unique code at the moment is on my Windows at the moment, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 easy button presses. Then I actually get an indication of my indicators flashing at me to say I've got my password correct. The indicators on the outside of the car are not flashing, so there's no indication that the Ghost Immobiliser is actually installed. Foot goes on the brake, and I'm allowed to start the vehicle, enter drive, and away I go. So really easy to use, doesn't take too long to start the vehicle, but you know that your vehicle is really secure using a unique code across button presses across the vehicle, as well as obviously on this keypad here. Obviously any single button presses, if you are interested, we'll go through all of that when you give us a call or come by. We'll actually go through. Obviously every vehicle is slightly different, so we'll tell you exactly what buttons are available to use on your vehicle. Another great way to actually secure your vehicle and add that extra layer of protection is something called Theftblock. It's a Faraday box that comes in a variety of different colors, and we've actually got a discount code for you guys to use as well to get 10% off. Obviously the cars are coming more and more now with keyless entry, just like this Defender 110. I've got the key here, one single press of the button, the vehicle unlocks. I'm not pressing the key at all, and off we go. That means this key can be copied, cloned, and your vehicle is very, very vulnerable. When you get home, you put the key in the box, put it away, and it is now another layer of protection. Even right next to the car, it's not transmitting at all. I can't access the vehicle. It's a really great way to secure your vehicle. Use discount code CBS10 to get 10% off Theftblock right now, guys. Everything you need in the description below. You might be thinking, well, what am I going to do when I want to give my car into Land Rover for a service or give it to a friend or family to use or move? What you actually can do, there's something called service mode, which is a really neat little feature built into the Autowatch Ghost Immobilisation system, which we run through fully in the handover procedure. But easy as anything, all you do is when you're in Ghost mode, so once you've entered your code and your vehicle is running, you enter a certain code pressing 5 buttons. That certain code will actually allow the vehicle, next time it needs to be started without a code whatsoever. But you might be thinking, well, that's not very secure. Someone could then steal my car during that period. One really nice feature about it is also there's got fail-safes built into it. So if the vehicle is actually stolen during that period, because if the vehicle exceeds a speed limit of around about 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or more, the next time the vehicle actually starts, they'll need the code to start the vehicle. Obviously, if you're giving the vehicle in for a service, there's no need for them to be driving at that period of speed for that period of time. So you know your vehicle is protected. Plus, obviously, if the vehicle was stolen during that period, next time the vehicle needs starting, they will need the code. And that's where a tracking system partners up really nicely with something like this, because then you can obviously recover the vehicle in record-breaking times as well, using our state-of-the-art tracking systems that we offer. Thank you so much at home for watching today's video. Hopefully you've learned a little bit more about securing your Defender 110 or any vehicle for that matter. If you're interested in something like this, guys, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. Everything you need, guys, is in the description below. But thank you very much for watching again. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon.